Hey guys, Dave not in Cali. Yes, it used to be Dave in Cali, but it's Dave not in Cali now because I've basically moved out of California and I'm on the road. So right now I'm in Florida. So I was looking at this article and I was reading it, and they were talking about the possible a way of clearing up the voter rolls almost instantaneously using the government's data. I mean, the actual official government data, not something that somebody else recompiles somewhere, but strictly from government data, such as the information that they obtain for addresses and people for IRS can be compared to the voter rolls. And the tax base is based on like residential. You pay your taxes, uh, residential versus commercial, and it might stop a lot of these things. Like, for instance, we get maybe 20 voters that use an address at a restaurant. Um, so do they live there? No, they don't live there. How about apartments that don't exist? The building might be there, but the apartment doesn't exist. Or vacant lots. So through the IRS database, you would be able to use fractal technology, which is a really interesting technology. Now, most of the databases and so forth that are used today, I can't say most, but what were traditionally known as legacy type information that's compiled. So basically, you can go back and you can see the history or the legacy, you might say, of all the information coming in. Now, not to say that that's bad. I mean, that's good, but in order to run all the numbers and calculate and so forth, it takes a ton of time and resources to do that. Versus using this fractal technology, it takes an input, which if you take your totals and so forth from the government information and compile it against voter registration, it will it'll spit out an instant number. And then as these numbers change in the government database, the fractal calculation is just one calculation. It takes that last number it calculated and it puts it up against the new numbers coming in. So it's constantly being updated. So we're talking real time. I mean, at any given moment, you can go in and look at any particular area and find out exactly the the voters, and based on real addresses and real property and people that actually live there, so forth like that. So it's not totally foolproof, but it will bring out the discrepancies almost instantaneously. I think this is something that we really, really should look into more. You can check out Omega 4, this is the number 4, America.com. I'll put the link down below. It's very interesting. You can kind of check it out. And it talks about doing this very thing and getting real-time information to keep all this other shenanigans that are going on, and people accusing this party of doing that and that party doing that. Well, we get down to the data, and the data would be the truth. So anyway, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, it's Dave not in Cali. I managed to change the name on my channel, so now I can actually say Dave not in Cali. All right, see you on the next one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we're out of here. Bye.